TC Wood Creations. Custom-made solutions and entertainment for in and around your home. Today, we're going to talk about one solution to getting rid of those pesky carpenter bees. Carpenter bees can be quite a nuisance. Although they are not aggressive to humans, they can cause a different problem. Carpenter bees bore holes into wood, specifically your home's wood exterior. These wood-drilling insects cause damage to your home and property. Like this, and this. One solution to this problem is the Carpenter Bee Trap. This trap is quick to install and works like a charm. The bees crawl into the trap, but they cannot get out. And with a cost that's easy on the wallet, this trap is one of TC Wood Creations' top sellers. TC Wood Creations builds custom-made solutions and entertainment for in and around your home. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos and even more solutions for your home and entertainment needs.